Hello, in front of me I've got NOKIA G20. Today I'll show you how to add different type of cards to Google Pay. So let's open Google Pay, tap on Passes and tap on Plus Pass. Select loyalty program or gift card. In here you can add loyalty program, find your loyalty program, tap on it, scan your card or enter details manually, then tap Save. Similar with gift card. Select your gift card, type card number, PIN, balance, your notes and save. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.